Want to keep Firefox up to date for the best performance and security? I'll show you how to update Firefox to the latest version on Windows 11. Open Firefox. Launch the Mozilla Firefox browser. Access the menu. Click on the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, in the top right corner. Open Help. At the bottom of the menu, click the question mark to access the Help menu. Select About Firefox. Click About Firefox at the bottom of the Help menu. Check for updates. Firefox will automatically check for updates and start downloading them if available. Restart to update. Once the download completes, click Restart Firefox to update to install the latest version. Verify the version. After the restart, return to About Firefox to confirm the update was successful. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.